Welcome back to the Taylor Product Lab inside the Middleby Innovation Kitchen, where innovation meets flavor. This is the Taylor Crown Series L858 Electric Two-Sided Grill. Get ready to elevate your back-of-house cooking with the L858, featuring active compression technology for better sear and control. The L858 is equipped with features that bring more consistency, reliability, flexibility, and ease of use for your employees. First and foremost, let's talk about convenience and precision. The L858 boasts one-touch menu selection, automatically choosing the optimal time, temperature, and gap settings for every dish. You can also easily update menu items via USB. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to consistent, perfect results every time. True parallel auto leveling is the backbone of the L858, ensuring accurate gap settings between the upper platen and lower cook plate. This precision results in consistent, better quality finished products that will ensure your customers receive the food they crave, time and time again. With 2 cooking positions and independent cooking zones, the L858 offers unparalleled consistency. 3 independent heating elements in the lower cooking surface and 2 in the upper platen ensure even temperatures and quick recovery. The Crown Series grill features independent lower cook plates. No flavor or food transfers occurs from zone to zone, making it easier to cook different menu items at the same time. Plus, a larger cooking gap allows for products up to 2 inches thick to be cooked in two-sided mode, enabling greater menu flexibility. Take control of your energy usage and cleaning schedule. With the L858 lower cook zones, simply turn them off during slow periods to save energy and enjoy a flexible cleaning schedule. Wraparound release material simplifies installation while protecting the entire upper platen cooking surface. Ready to elevate your culinary game? The Taylor Crown Series L858 Electric Two-Sided Grill is your ticket to unparalleled cooking precision, flexibility, and efficiency. Visit taylor-company.com or contact your distributor today to learn more about the extraordinary Taylor Crown Series Electric Two-Sided Grill. Taylor, good things start here.